This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Beth Robinson. Construction to begin soon on another quality home built by Authentic Homes. This 1,600 square feet ranch, the Addilynn CRE Floor Plan, includes an open, split-bedroom floor plan, vaulted ceiling, covered front and back porches, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and 2-car side-load garage. Home will also feature luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, soft close cabinets, granite kitchen countertop, poured marble vanity tops, and quality faucet and fixtures. The primary suite features a huge walk-in closet, stand-up shower and twin sink vanity. The floor plan, plat map and CCRs can all be located in the documents. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Robinson at 812-323